क्या आपके टूथपेस्ट में नमक है? क्या लौंग है? मैं ये इसलिए कह रही हूँ क्योंकि अभी मैं उस जगह पर हूँ जहाँ देश में जितना भी लौंग का उत्पादन होता है उसका 65% यहीं होता है। जी, कन्याकुमारी में। इस वक्त मैं कन्याकुमारी में हूँ जहाँ सबसे ज़्यादा लौंग का उत्पादन होता है। पूरे देश में सालाना करीब 1000 टन लौंग का उत्पादन होता है, लेकिन देश की कुल खपत 20,000 टन है। जो कन्याकुमारी की लौंग है उसे 2 साल पहले ही जीआई टैग भी मिला है। तो हमारे साथ इस वक्त हैं जो लौंग के प्लांटेशन में लगे हुए हैं, उसका बिजनेस करते हैं। उसके अलावा जो प्लांटर्स एसोसिएशन है उसके सेक्रेटरी भी हैं, पी लाला जी। हम उनसे बात करेंगे कि कन्याकुमारी की लौंग की क्या खासियत है। So what is special about this Kanyakumari clove?
Basically, Kanyakumari is climatic and it is very good for clove cultivation. In India, more than 60% of the clove is produced in Kanyakumari district only because of the clove conditions and all that. So the clove brought into Kanyakumari district around 100 years back. When Mr. Simpson brought it to Kanyakumari district, and it is growing in the hill area very well. We are now, after getting GA tag, we are getting better price and all that. I will come to the later.
Tell me about the plant of clove and how you yield the good clove.
The spacing will be 20 feet. 20 feet spacing should be there, the planting. Then will be canopy cover will good, and you will get good yield. Then from 7th year onwards you will get good yield normally.
Okay, मतलब जब प्लांट लगाने के 7 साल बाद उसमें अच्छा लॉन्ग होना शुरू होता है.
After 15th year you may get 5 to 10 gauges from a per tree. Usually we plant in 1 acre or 1 hectare. It may be around 250 plants.
Okay. In एक हेक्टेयर में 250
plants. That's a good. That's good for the plants and everything. Okay. That manuring as usual only. Here we are getting 2 months only in June, July, and in October. So it is very good for us. Then for clove plants, it is very essential. Means one rain, sunlight, sea breeze, and mist. Four should be there. In Kanyakumari, we are getting all these 4. Yeah. So only we are producing a good quality of clove.
What is the life of a clove plant?
Nobody is found out this. In Maluku selling more than 400 days plant is there.
400 years.
400 days.
400 साल पुराना प्लांट भी है बता रहे हैं जिसमें लॉन्ग होता है.
Indonesia, Maluku Islands. In Kanyakumari, nearly 130 days the plants are. But because of some disease only, some may go means. Otherwise, it is no life. It not decided for that clove plants. So only once we planted, it will give you good yield every year.
No problem. What is the good time to yield clove? A good clove.
Madam, the flowering starts from June, July, August season too. It matures around January to April. Then the plains it will start around January. You go up in hill area, it will go to middle of April only.
Now you have GI tag for this Kanyakumari clove. Yes. Did farmers get any benefits?
Yes, we are getting high volatile oil content. Nearly 19 to 20% oil we are getting from that clove of Kanyakumari district, and also the usual content, the aroma, everything is good. So only see our clove was you can see it is golden brown color. If you see other clove, the color won't be like this. We are taking very care to get this color.
So this is a very good quality.
Very good quality. So after getting GAT, so many inquiries, sir, and we are getting better price. Okay. Earlier it was 800 rupees, now it is around 1000 rupees we are getting. And so
1000 rupees
per kg.
Per kg.
Oh, so many inquiries also we are getting. Every time they are asking for, especially for Kanyakumari clove only. Okay. So that the government helped us to get that GA tag. It is very useful to us. Now, more also, we are value adding this by extracting oil.
Okay.
clove oil,
Mhm.
clove bud oil, clove leaf oil, etc.
How many farmers are involved in this?
Around 1,000 farmers in Kanyakumari district.
1,000 farmers, and how many laborers get
Laborers
employment in this?
in seasonal around 2 to 3,000 laborers. We need nearly 3 to 4,000 laborers to pluck this and plucking and drying everything and cleaning and nearly 3 to 4,000 laborers
Okay.
per year.
And now when we talk about a good clove, tell me how to identify a good clove. How one can identify that it's a best clove or not?
Yeah, but this type is but good clove with bud. If it is bud is there, then only they are good clove.
Okay.
And its size will also have to 10 to 15 mm.
And the color is
Color is golden brown.
तो अगर आपको अच्छे क्लोव की यानी लौंग की पहचान करनी है तो आपको उसका कलर देखना होगा, बड देखनी होगी, बड पूरी तरह से गोल्डन है और उसका कलर ब्राउन है, तो ये सबसे अच्छा क्लोव है। इसके सेकंड और थर्ड क्वालिटी भी होती है, लेकिन ये बेस्ट क्वालिटी है। और जब से जीआई टैग मिला है कन्याकुमारी की क्लोव को, फार्मर्स खुश हैं क्योंकि उसके प्राइस भी बढ़े हैं, बहुत सारी क्वेरीज आ रही हैं और फार्मर्स का कहना है कि सरकार का भी सपोर्ट मिल रहा है। Or what do you want from the government? Anything you want from the government?
We are importing nearly 15,000 or 20,000 tons every year. We are producing around 1,000 tons a year. We should expand the clove production area. We should expand. For that, government, especially central government, the state government, should support us to for area expansion. Then we can produce more than the foreign exchange revenue will be. We are getting more in the national interest also. We are asking that government support us to for area expansion.
तो जैसा कि इन्होंने कहा कि ये चाहते हैं कि ज्यादा एरिया में क्लोव का प्रोडक्शन होना चाहिए, यील्ड होना चाहिए, क्लोव के प्लांट होने चाहिए। मैंने जैसा आपको शुरू में बताया कि करीब 1,000 टन ही भारत में अभी हो पाता है, जबकि इसकी खपत है 20,000 टन और इतना हमें फिर इंपोर्ट करना होता है। तो यही इनकी डिमांड भी है कि ज़्यादा एरिया में ये हो और सरकार इसमें मदद करे। पूनम पांडे, नव भारत टाइम्स के लिए।